Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison. I just had this room at Continew it's a Deluxe Queen Studio. Okay, and after tax is about 150 something, and this is the unit, which is block A 29 level 29 and 02, and B, and this is locked. So I got the key, access key card, and also parking. So there's free parking also. So let's have a room tour. Okay, so this room. So first I'm going to put my phone here first, and the key card. Okay, the fridge. It's nothing. Yeah. Okay, and then this is the toilet. Okay, so they give this also, so you don't need to bring the body shampoo and also body wash. Normal smell. Okay, and then the washer, Samsung, but there's no dryer. If you see into this, no drying. So it's this wash to wash, and then you got the table for two, and also what they give here, the utensils. Okay, and then cutlery. Actually, not that much the cutlery. So this is for cook. So only one. Yeah. So this thing, like that. Kettle and microwave. Okay, done. And then outside here, iron, and I think this is actually there's no sound, so I don't think so. It's okay. Yeah, only a mirror on the outside, not in the toilet. And the TV, it's let me see. It's a smart TV, but not 4K, but Full HD. Toshiba. Sharp. Sorry, Sharp. I forgot, but I think it's 42 inch. 42 inch Full HD, and smart TV, so you can cast your video from phone to TV. And this is the bed, towel, and then side table, and this is the wardrobe. So the hanger, and hair dryer. How much is this? Let me see. I mean the power. 2000. The 2000 power. Okay lah. Okay. Right. This is the view. Okay. Now let's open the door. This is the view. So there's a patio outside here. You can actually you can chill or you can smoke around here. So let's look into the view. Sounds right. I want to take some picture. I like it. But if you selfie here, you will be a bit backlight. Not really can't really see that. But let me see this. Okay. Let's close this. So that's a tour for me. So thank you very much for watching, and if you want this room, you want to book this room, the link will be below the video. Thank you very much for watching. Oh yeah, the Wi-Fi, they give me Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. There's 2.5 and also 5G, but let me tell you, I find this phone connected with 5G, free Wi-Fi 5G on this room, and look at the speed, only 18.7 and 2.41, means worse was like 4G was like normal 4G speed. So well, not really that the speed is not really good. So yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.